Hello, welcome back guys to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing the screen, then you know which video we're going to continue. Yes, today we're going to continue our requirement analysis, but there is a change because in previous video you know already we finished our electrical engineering requirement analysis and also we finished the application video of which was open. And now, as I told you, I will be making more videos, like 15 to 20 videos pre-recorded, because I have to schedule them before I go to India. Then I was looking, then I remember, okay, we will just take over mechanical or civil, then we will have some summer universities, and then we can also make application videos. That's the reason, if you can see our search criteria, now it is changed to electrical, from electrical to mechanical. Here you can just see Master of Degree Engineering Sciences, Mechanical Engineering, and I have also put or taken into account only summer semester, because if I find any of the application which is open, then I will also make application videos so that people can apply themselves. How it would be today, it would be only requirement analysis video for Paderborn University, that is our first college that is there. Then if this is open, then I will show you how to apply. If it is not, then we will move to next college. And yeah, without any delay, we'll get started with today's video of additive manufacturing, Paderborn University. Before that, if you're new to this channel, don't know anything about this channel, in this channel we make requirement analysis video where we talk about German university, what are the courses are there, what and all the colleges are there, and what are the requirements that you need to know, what are the documents that you need to have to apply for this particular course, and what are the qualifications that you need to get. After all this done, we will also note down the deadline, when to apply and where to apply. And when we are in the deadline period, we will also show you how to apply. So these are the things that we cover in requirement analysis and how to apply videos in our channel. Now, without any delay, we'll get started. Whenever we do the requirement analysis video, we just go through the overview, course detail, cost and fundings, and requirements and registration. It will be overview. In the overview, you can just see it's Master of Science. Course location is in Paderborn. Teaching language is completely in English. And you can also finish your course completely in English, which is 100%. Full-time, part-time, it is only full-time possible, no part-time possible. Then program duration is 4 semester, winter and summer both are available. In winter semester starting from October, if you want to apply for this, then 31st May is the international applicants, 21st September for people who are from Germany. So if you are a person who wants to apply for this particular course as an international candidate, then you have until 31st May is the deadline. And for summer semester starting from April, if you are a person who is applying from international like us, 30th November was the deadline and we missed the deadline. That's the reason we will check this for next winter semester, then we apply. Then tuition fees is none. Combined degree program is also not possible. Joint degree program is also not possible. So main content, whenever you do this particular additive manufacturing, what are the main contents that you will study? You will study about plastic technologies, additive manufacturing, material science of metal, 3D metal painting, introduction to additive manufacturing, manufacture technology, Master of Science in plastics, power technology or powder technology, structure optimization, design rules of aptitude or additive manufacturing, product creation, standard software application development. So these are the contents that you will do. But if you want to just check about the course details, how the course is structured, you can also go here and check for the complete module handbook. In this module handbook of additive manufacturing, you will understand how the course is divided. Here it is. So it will be 51 credit points of FLIST module, which is compulsory ones, 4 technical valve FLIST module, which is the elective modules of 20 credit points, and industrial practicum, which will be your internship for 12 credit points. Student Arbeit is also 12 credit points. This is also like study project that you need to do, 12 credit points. So these things you will do in 3 semester, where you will have compulsory modules of 51 credits, 4 elective modules of 20 credits, and industrial practicum, which is your internship, and a student project of 12 credit. After adding all this, you will finish your 95 credit points, then 25 credit points will be your master thesis. This is how the 120 ECTS is covered, and you can also see what are the courses or what are the modules that you study, what is the workload, and this is the workload. That's why they call it as ECTS. For our workload, we call it in credit points, because both are same. Credit points is also same way how they calculate using the hourly matter, and ECTS is also same way how they calculate based on hours that you put on or the workload you put on. Then yeah, you can also get to know the complete subjects, what you will be learning, who is the professor that he is teaching, and if you like the subject and if you want to know about the professor, I suggest you also to check in IEEE Explorer, so that you can also see what type of publication that the professor has made. If it is in your stream of knowledge, then you can also approach him to work under him as a research assistant, so that you can continue working under him and also do potentially PhD under him. Then a diploma supplement will be issued at the end of the degree. Yes, after finishing degree you will get your diploma supplement. And as I told you, you need to do a 12 weeks of industrial internship. It is mandatory because it is carrying around 12 credit points, which we saw now. Then course specific integrated German language, not possible. Course specific English language, not there. Cost and fundings, we already know there is no tuition fees for this particular college, but there will be always semester contribution that you need to pay around 300 euros. But this, I always say, this is also free, because you think it in a way that this 300 euros will yield you as of now a ticket or a transport ticket entire Germany. As of now, you can travel in the entire Germany with regional bands, and that ticket will be given for this particular money also. So that particular ticket is now around 60 euros, and you will get, if you pay 300 euros, you will get 6 months of ticket, because you will be enrolled for 6 semester or 1 semester. So it will count up to around same amount. So that's the reason you technically not pay anything, but this semester contribution you have to pay for colleges. And cost of living is around estimated up to 1200, from 1000 to 1200. That's general as of now in Germany, but this you don't need to worry at the first year, because in first year you will anyway block your blocked account, and that blocked account will be divided into 12 parts, and each year your blocked account will be sent to you every month. After that, once the first year is done, in the second year, when you go for visa authorities, you need to show either a proof of how you are earning for next years, or if you have any of the work contracts, then you can show, then your visa will be extended without any questioning. Then requirements and registration. So the requirements and registration is nothing but what are the things that you need to have in order to apply or in order to get into this particular college. At first, university study equivalent, which a 3-year bachelor degree program with the final grade minimum 2.5. So you should have above 7.5 or 7.3 or 7.4. That is the minimum. And further requirements, only applicants from non-EU countries. So if you are a person who is from non-EU, that is us, that will be people not in Germany or not in EU. You need to have a GRE exam with at least 157 points of quantitative reasoning section, at least 4 in analytical writing section. So what is the one requirement? So this is a requirement, not a additional thing either. If you have, then you will get an admission. So this is a mandatory requirement that you need to have GRE. Then if you don't have GRE, then you should have an extraordinary grade in your bachelor, which will be corresponds to 1.3 German grade. So this technically means you in CGPA way you need to have around 9 plus, because I had 8.8 and my German GPA was 1.7. So if you want to come under 1.3, then you need to for sure have more than 9.1 and 9.2 CGPA. Then if you have that much of CGPA, then you don't need a GRE, you will get an admission. But if you are a person who is less than that, then you need to have GRE. If you ask me, particular case having 9.2, 9.3 is very less. So take it in a way that you need to have GRE mandatory for this particular course. Then English B2 is required, which is IELTS 6.5 and above should be the English requirement. Application deadline, we already talked. We missed the application deadline for summer semester, so we have to tackle this in next summer semester. And people who are from non-EU have to apply via UniAssist, and this UniAssist portal we already know. We have done so many application videos, and it is straightforward. Whenever application is open, then I will make you video how to apply for this particular course. Then possibility of part-time job. So at first, after getting an admission, you will apply for your student visa, then you will get your student visa, then you will travel back here, finish everything, do your city registration, everything. After doing city registration, you will have your tax ID and social security ID. After having these two with your bank account, then you are ready to work. Without having all these three things, you cannot start working, even though if you have got a job. You need to have social security, tax ID and then bank account to start working in Germany. Okay, then think that you have all this. What are the opportunities that you have? First, in technical ways, you will have opportunities of working as a work student, research assistant, scientific researcher, or any of the research assistant research institute like Fraunhofer and Max Planck Institute, or internship. If you don't get any of the technical side, don't worry, you can also work as a non-technical ones, where you can work under any of the company, restaurants, or any of the lager shop, IKEA or Amazon. So these are the options that you have to work here. then career advisory service will be always there, and there will be also support for international student, where there will be buddy program, tutor, specialist counseling and other things. This is the thing I just wanted to mention you guys in today's additive manufacturing Paderborn University requirement analysis video, and this is the requirement analysis number 1 for mechanical engineering. I'll also create a separate playlist so that this will be in mechanical section. Hope you guys enjoyed it. So see you in next videos. Until then, take care. Bye bye.